That's your bed? And then, and that's your baby. How many baby you have? Oh, she's a mermaid baby. How many? Oh, you got three. Can you count? Can you count how many babies, anak? How many baby? How many are there? Wow, that's a lot. Mhm. Hello, Mikay. Remember, Juliana, the other day I'm doing this. Remember how I do it? Tell me. Now I'm doing this right the other day when I'm doing this video. You said I was sleeping. This mama did that. Mama did that. Oh, Mikay said hi, Mikay. Your sunshine team amazing. Say hello, MJ. Hi, Ace. Mm, thank you. Are you being good with your baby? What's the name of your baby? What's the name of your baby? Oh, you have a mermaid baby. Let me see your mermaid baby. Yeah, you got a mermaid baby. Yep, you got a mermaid baby. You do? Oh, really? Oh, okay. Oh, is that your bed now? Night night. Okay, good night. Close the door. Oh, what is your perfume? That smells yummy. That perfume. Is that your makeup? You got a comb, baby toy. You have makeup, okay. Oh, it's a purple makeup. Yeah, that's you have to have your phone. That's inside your bag. Oh,